Add 1 cup warm milk in the bread pan. Add 1 tablespoon active, dry yeast. Add 1 teaspoon sugar. Mix until combined. Let stand for 5 to 10 minutes. Add 2 cups of bread flour. Add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Add ½ cup of melted butter or margarine. Add a ½ cup of white sugar. Attach the pan to the bread machine. Use the dough option. Beat to eggs. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Add to the dough. Turn off 10 to 15 minutes before the cycle ends. I brush butter or margarine on the kneading table or mat and some on my hands to easily handle the dough. Divide the dough in half. Punch out the air. Flatten the dough to a rectangular shape. Mix 1/3 to a ½ cup brown sugar and 1½ tablespoons of ground cinnamon. Distribute half on the first dough. Roll the dough. Cut 1½ inches using a knife or kitchen twine. I used a clean dental floss. It's much easier. Put the rolls in a pan, brush with butter. I used an 8x8 square pan. Work on the other half, using the same procedure. This recipe will yield 18 cinnamon rolls. Let rise for 1 hour. Preheat oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Bake for 18 to 20 minutes. Ice with cream cheese, frosting while it is hot. Ready to serve your freshly baked cinnamon rolls?